My blog talking about the TED Talks over shopping is going to discuss 3 different videos. The first video, Success is a Continuous Journey, talked about how when people make money, rather than searching for more success, they tend to slow down. When slowing down, they view materialistic things as a means to an end. They choose happiness, but their happiness isn't real. It is bought with money that they've made from their success. The next video, Less Stuff, More Happiness, was talking about how all the people that make so much money buy their own happiness. But really, we could all live in one small apartment. The things that we buy fill our houses, bring us momentary happiness, but in the long run, don't actually bring any happiness for us. Money doesn't buy that sort of happiness. That happiness is simply bought. The last video that the TED Talks were over was called How to Buy Happiness. Even though this vlog is saying that you can't buy happiness, you can't buy happiness for yourself. But in this video, it was saying that yes, indeed, you can buy happiness for others. Say, what if you bought for someone else in a short period of time or a long while ago? Say, someone in Africa makes no money at all and you make a lot. You buy your own happiness with items that you'll just soon throw away. If you were to give the money to them, you would buy them happiness, even though the things that you could buy with that money wouldn't bring you happiness. It would just bring you more things that you didn't need. The happiness that they get and receive from the money that you give them is one way that you can buy happiness. But you actually aren't buying it, you're giving it.